How to recover Facebook account hacked. So in this video, I will show you how to recover hacked Facebook account. So now open up your browser. After you open your browser, tap on the search and search for this m.facebook.com. Here is it now, m.facebook.com/hacked, this one. So tap on this first link. I'll give you the link in the comment section of this video. So as you can see now here, it says, if you believe your account has been hacked or compromised by another person or be a virus, or here it says, please click the link. Click the my account is compromised button, this one below. We will help you log back into your account so that you can regain access. So tap on this one. So from this option now, as you can see, it says find your account. So now go ahead and type in your mobile number or email address. I will use my mobile number. So tap on this option. So from this list now, it will give you accounts. So here it says choose your account. Remember, hackers sometimes change names and profile picture. So choose one of these accounts. So I'll use this one. After you choose this one, as you can see now here, it says recover. So now if you tap on this recover option, now it will give you access to recover your Facebook account. That's it guys on how to recover Facebook account hacked. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe.